Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you're all having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all for your likes, thank you for your comments, thank you for your subscriptions as well. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. For today's tutorial is a very simple Ankara inspired makeup look. What I mean by Ankara is an African print, and just about this what I'm having on right now. So I just created a kind of alternate from the Ankara wrapper that I have at home that I used to back my last child. Okay, this is actually what I used to back the rest of my kids to. I brought all the way from Nigeria to America, so when I still have it, it's still looking good, so why not? So this Ankara inspired me to do this look right now. Okay, if you want to see how I achieve this look, please do continue watching. If you like this video, could you please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, could you please subscribe? Please don't forget to turn your notification bell as well in order for you to know whenever I upload. Thank you all for watching. Please leave a comment down below as well, and subscribe at the same time, don't forget. And I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye. First of all, I apologize for the noise. Okay, I don't know what's going on with my neighbor. Maybe they're having a kind of party going on, or I just don't know. Please excuse the noise. I'm shooting in the middle of afternoon, so it's kind of loud and noisy right now. I'm really sorry. So moving on to this, I'll be using the Take Me Back to Brazil. I'll be using these two shades from this palette, this very one and this very one. So for the first shadow, my transition color that I'll be using, I'll be taking the yellow one as my transition color. So from this palette by Juvia's Place, the Sharia 2, I'm going to be using this shade, the brown one right here. It has a name, it's called Fez, F-E-Z. Anyway, I'm going to be putting the names and the shade of the product that I use down below. So I'll be using a pencil-like kind of brush, a little bit thicker. So I'll put that right here and just to darken that place a little bit more, since I started with a lighter shade, which is yellow. If you all can tell, I'm not stapling, and at the same time I'm not dragging, I'm just stroking like that. See, stroking backward. So I'll be using a flat brush by e.l.f. Eyeshadow brush is flat, and I'm just going to use that on the remaining part of my eyelid, but I'm going to use the stapling motion. So I popped in my false lashes and I applied all over my face this blur primer by Candy. I saw this brand in Walmart, I bought it, and I just want to see this says selfie approved soft focus blur effect. So I'll be using the concealer by BH Cosmetics. This is my first time trying their concealer. I'm just going to dab it. I'll go ahead and line my inner ear with a brown eye pencil. With the eyeshadow from here to smoke it out. I'll be using the setting spray by Candy too. This is my first time trying this brand of their spray. I saw it in Walmart. I bought it to try it.